Firearm, we roll around in the street. When I get home, it's going down in the sheet. Don't.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I went to the track a couple weeks ago, and my intake air temperatures was like 160 degrees. So I really couldn't get a good time in. So my whole theory is I'm fixing to do away with the intake box, which I did put the factory intake box back on. I did have a open-ended K&N filter, so that probably helped a little bit. But I got from Steve White Motors, I ordered the lower Hellcat air box with the intake filler tube that's going to run straight through here. Got to take the front bumper off, and I'm going to get the new 2019 grill with the snorkels and the lower with the adaptive. Sorry if you can't see, it's kind of dark in here, but finna get ready to change the thermostat. I'm going to change it to a 180 degree thermostat. Then I'm going to hop on HP tuners and change some settings for my fan speeds. So I'll update y'all as soon as I can. But one thing, there's probably 1,000 videos on YouTube about this, but I figured why not, I'll tell you. Gonna need a 13mm socket, preferably an adapter, unless you want your life to be hell. The bolts ain't really that tight. You just want them. You need to do this with a torque wrench, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna do the best I can. But whenever you put them back on, I think it's 107 inch-pounds. Don't quote me on that, but I would check. Recommend you do that instead of doing what I'm doing, but I'm doing the best I can. But put me a little garbage bag down there, taped it up so that way it'll kind of catch any fluid that's going to come out. And whenever you put this thing in, I'm trying to see if I can show you here. There's going to be, up at the top right here, there's going to be like a vent tube in your factory thermostat. And some new thermostats, you ain't going to be able to really see them very well, but see that little bitty thing right there? That needs to go up like that right there, so that way that it can push out any air and do whatever it's supposed to do. But all I know is that's the way it's supposed to go. But we're gonna get to it. Kind of show you what I'm talking about, the reason why you got to have the bag here. And I did a crappy job, so it's probably gonna go everywhere anyways. But whenever you take this thing out, it'd be a good idea to have you a little set of pliers, and you want to kind of grab right there with your factory one, because it may be in there kind of snug depending on how many miles you got on your vehicle or whatever. Let's see here. See, a little bit poured out, but I got most of it down there in the bag. And this right here, you can kind of just fold back a little bit best you can, so that way it ain't gonna be leaking too far, or leaking too much, I'm sorry. And then see how that factory intake right there, or I'm sorry, factory little air valve right there up on the top is. That's how you want your new one to go in. And by the way, guys, leave your coolant reservoir cap on, because if you take that off, the gravity is gonna push all the water out whenever you take out your thermostat. So if you leave that on, only a little bit, it's gonna look like a lot, but only a little bit of water will come out. So just keep that in mind. That's another pointer. Alright, y'all, now that I got everything kind of wiped down, I guess, from the mess I made, got my bolts torqued down, coolant top back off, I'm going to start the car and see if there's any air bubbles in the system. And there more than likely will be, so we're just going to double check and see if I got lucky. Alright guys, sorry about that. Back. Had to double check, make sure there were no leaks. And yeah, I got tire pressure because I got Mickey Thompson's on. I had no tire pressure sensors. I don't know how well you can hear me, but we'll see. Alright, we'll go over here. Performance pages. Or you can go to it through your dash. I'm just going to do it this way. Do not show again. I think it's going to be on gauge 1. And coolant temp. I'm going to sit here and watch that and see what happens. And I'll start back recording whenever it gets up to supposedly 180. So we'll see. Get back to you in a second. And it don't look like we have no leaks, but I'm letting it warm up for just a second. I don't know if you can hear me. This thing's kind of loud. Close this so it ain't dinging. One thing about these dang Hemis, man, they heat up quick, so you want to double check to make sure that you ain't got no air in your system. Hopefully they didn't send me no 160 degree thermostat. Don't want that. Nah, it'll go up. Alright guys, we're going to take this thing down the road right quick because it's staying at 181, I believe. Maybe I gotta... I know there's no way that it didn't get no air in it. So, okay, 183. Alright guys, we're going to take this thing down the road right quick and see if we can get the temps to go up any. We're holding at 183, so I know there's just no way that I didn't get all the air out, because I didn't even try. All I did was put the thermostat in there, so put this dang seatbelt on. Hold on. check engine lights or nothing yet, but probably get one from it not reaching temperature, so that's why I'm gonna have to go in with HP tuners and adjust the fan settings and everything. Play with it a little bit to get it to warm on up. We got 188 highest so far. Better whoa it on down. I think it's 20 through here. So I think we're doing 21. Guys, well, it's looking good. I think that's all we had to do, so we'll see. I'll let you know if I got any updates. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.
Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off, she gon' pull it down. Please believe. Firearm, we roll around.